Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Long Footwear. Today, earlier today I made part 1 of the Pokemon unboxing, and I was about to show off this Pokemon, Rowlet, when I noticed that the timer ran out and and 15 minutes has went by. Anyways, it's part 2, so I'm doing all the rest of the cards. I don't have introduction cards. Kingsford, get away from the packs. And let's start off with Rowlet. That's this buddy, the boy. Come on. This, yeah. Rowlet in the thing. Oh, wait. Get. Hold on just a second. And done. Showcasing Young Goose. Tackle and Bite. Because there's 2 moves. Making sure I didn't grab 2 cards instead of just that one. Got this guy. Oh, dude, I got Litten! Litten! If there are more than one cat Pokemon, Litten is one of the at least 2 cats in the Pokemon universe. There's also Meowth as a cat, because he's got... Wait. I have a Litten figure. Where's my Litten figure? Okay, guys, I couldn't find Litten, but here he is. Bite and Flare are his moves. Weak to water type, obviously, because he's fire type. Easy. Good. Stop working. No. Probably won't ever use this guy, but it's good to have. I don't know this Pokemon. What is this Pokemon? It's like half dog, half mermaid. Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! The storming voice and sparkling aura. Oh, cool! I got an energy. Energy. Look at its eye. It's like it's staring right into yours. Okay. It's enough. It's enough. Okay. Okay, 2 things. What is wrong with its beak? And 2, look at what it evolves from. A Wingull. Wingull. As in wing and then gull. Combine those 2 words together and that's the name you get. This guy. Now I know his name? Well, I don't know, Logan. I was gonna call myself different. Well, I don't know, Logan. How do you? Because on my Nintendo 3DS, I got Pokemon Alpha Sapphire and I kinda caught him in a Pokeball. He's in my team. I have a full team. Plus more. Hey guys. That was funny. Or just oh my gosh. Funny how I just okay. And I'm still talking about it as usual. Dust gathering, draw a card. This guy is basically useless. I'm tilting it the wrong way. Hold on. Indication. Blip. 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 I don't know why I do these things. I don't know. I did some of the things I do. Like what I just did. I'm a douche! This guy. This guy. This guy. Of the guy. I have a figure sitting right up there on a movie shelf over there. That guy involves in set. Just drop 2 cards. Evolves into this guy. I need health. And hold on, let me get the figure. Here's the thing. Here's the figure proof, video proof that I have it. Hold on. I'm gonna do something. I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, its head's now wet. Kind of barely. You see a little water drop right there. See better? Nope. What it does is I got it from McDonald's on there. Excuse me. Good timing, buddy. Thank you. Supporter and then shoots it. And I didn't time that right. I didn't put that right. Well, the idea is you put its head in water. I know that sounds terrible and you wouldn't want to do that, but trust me on this one. Water type Pokemon. Breathes underwater. And eats water for breakfast, lunch, and dinner! Like I'm about to eat my mom's laptop. Oh! Excuse me. So what's supposed to happen is that you put its head in water. You pull back its tail. It sucks in the water through its mouth. It's stored in its head. Its head. Then you push the tail out and it shoots out the water from its mouth. Yeah. Hope that showed up on camera. Set that right over there. Now my hand is all wet. I saw the guy that evolves from this, that evolves into this guy on a thing, on a Pokemon show. A Pokemon show. I'm gonna see. Yep. There we go. That's packed done. There we go. And I need these scissors. The evolutions. I don't know what that means. We're about to find out. Together! I mean together! I mean together! Okay. Okay, set these things. Set this thing down right over here with the other dip. And this guy. There are actually males and females. The pink are the males and the blues are the females. Kinda confusing. Like when I first watched the episode that introduces these Pokemon, when I saw the boy one, I thought, okay, it's girl. And when I saw the boy one, I was like, okay, it's boy. And then I found out that like blue one is the girl and the pink one is the boy. That kind of weirds me out. Okay. This guy. I believe this guy evolves into Ninetales. Golden energy! Energy! Match card! 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 The bad thing about Pokemon is that you can't actually tell what they're saying. Like, if a Pokemon, like if a Magikarp is on land and it's saying Magikarp, like Magikarp, 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 it might be saying, "Please help me, I'm dying," or it could be saying, "Oh, this is a nice view up here. I like it." I don't know. The possibilities are endless. So then there's Magikarp. Magikarp. Ah! Oh, it's beauty. Fish's beauty. Magikarp is like one of the fish of the thing. One of the most useless Pokemon evolves into a Gyarados, which is OP. I got a Weedle. Got a Weedle! A Weedle! Poison Sting. Okay. Then I got an Onix. Harden and Rock Throw. Shiny and Electrode. Ooh. I got Electrode. You already have Electrode, or I have the guy that evolves into Electrode. I think I have the guy that evolves into the guy. Well, the Pokemon I got out of the packs that I showed you guys in the first episode or video. Ah, cards! They fell everywhere! Ah, what the what? I am just dropping everything today. Dropping everything today. Anyways. One of the Pokemon that I opened and showed you, and guys, in the first video, evolves from this guy, and I'm gonna have to